So students, in our previous class, we were studying about matter in our surrounding, and in the last class, we had discussed about interconversion of matter, right? We had discussed about interconversion of matter. So we got to know few definitions. Based on that, we got to know how the matter of one form is being converted into other form. So what do you mean by melting? Be fast. Within 2 minutes, we have to complete this. What do you mean by melting? Whoever know the answer, raise your hand. Raise your hand.
The process of changing solid to liquid is called melting.
The process of changing or converting solid state of matter into liquid state of matter is known to be as melting. What is the other name for that, Deepak? What is the other name for that? Melting is also known as
Fusion.
very good. It is fusion. Most of you are not visible. Please switch on your videos. Okay. So what is the process that converts liquid into gases known as?
Boiling. Evaporation. Boiling.
Evaporation or
Boiling.
boiling or
Vaporation.
vaporization. Very good. So next, what about gaseous to liquid?
Condensation.
Condensation. Very good. What about liquid to solid?
Melting.
Liquid to solid.
Solidification.
Solidification. What is the other name for that? You can also tell it as
Freezing.
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 Very good, students. So what do you mean by sublimation now?
Changing from solid to gaseous form.
Changing from solid to gaseous form, or only from solid to gaseous it will be converted?
It is the process in which solid directly change into vapor without changing into liquid state.
Very good. Without changing into liquid state, if the solid is directly converted into a vapor or a gaseous state, it is known to be as sublimation.
Sublimation.
Okay. Vice versa is also true. From gaseous to solid state without converted into liquid, it is also true. Fine. I had given you 2 questions till now to collect the information. By the end, I will be asking. Last 5 minutes without miss, I will ask today. Okay. Okay, let us continue now. So on what factors are these interconversions dependent upon? On what factors are these interconversions dependent? There were 2 factors. Temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure. So let us know now how temperature and pressure are playing a role. Okay, let us know effect of temperature and effect of pressure. Is the screen visible for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So effect of change of temperature. The heading is effect of change of temperature. How temperature will change the state of matter. First I will explain, later I will show you the wordings. Okay. How are the particles arranged in solids?
Tightly.
They are very tightly
packed.
packed. Okay, very good. How about in the liquid?
There will be
Less than that of a solid. What about in the gaseous form?
it will be there.
It will be
It will be
spread.
That is, it will be freely moving. There will be more space. So what is that space known to be as? There is one term, specific term.
space.
Intermolecular space, or it is also known to be as interparticle space will be there. When you supply certain heat to solids, What happens to the particle that are very near? See, imagine in a classroom, 10 friends are there. 10 close friends, very close friends are there, 10 members. Where is this? I'm unable to see you people. Okay, imagine I'm unable to see you people now. Where are you?
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Now is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, imagine 10 close friends are there, very close friends. Someone will come and tell something about those 10. They want to break their friendship. Once they start believing the other person, what will happen? The bond between the friends will break. Similarly, in solids, particles are very near, very closely packed. What happens when you supply heat to that particle? What would happen when you are heating something?
It
When you are
separates
heating ice only will take an example. What happened to the
It
ice, the
separates.
particles inside the ice?
It will melt.
It
It
will
will melt.
start
Melt and
melting.
it moves freely.
It will start melting, right? It will just start to melt. Okay, so at that time, what will happen to the particles? They were very close. When it is being heated, what will happen to the particles?
The kinetic energy will become high
Very good. The kinetic energy of a particle will increase. Why it increases?
because of the
Due
temperature.
to temperature.
Because of heat or because of the temperature, the particles which were very close will start to loosen and will start to move little freely. Again, I am increasing the temperature. Again, I am increasing the temperature of a liquid now. What happens to the kinetic energy of a particle now?
It will become more high.
It will again increase because already we got to know that kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature. So one stage will be reached, but at that time what happens? The particle will start moving randomly or freely on its own. What is that state known to be as now? What is
Liquid
the state? It is known to be as a gaseous state. So don't you feel the interconversion is dependent upon the temperature?
Yeah, ma'am.
It is directly dependent upon the temperature. Similarly, when you are decreasing the temperature, from gas it will be converted into liquid, from liquid it will be converted into solid. So directly on temperature, the interconversion of states of matter is dependent. So see here, effect of change of temperature. What happens with the change of temperature? Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanish, you have raised your hand. For what purpose? Tanish?
When a solid is heated, what kind of energy is produced, miss?
Kinetic energy.
Yes, miss.
Heat energy will be produced. That heat energy will be converted into kinetic energy. When they start moving, movement of any substance or any particle is known to be as kinetic energy. Okay,
Yes, miss.
so let us know now.
Thank you.
Effect of change of temperature. When a solid is heated, are you able to see the screen now? Okay.
Yes,
When a
miss.
solid is heated, the kinetic of energy of a particle increases. You got to know the reason why. The heat energy supplied overcomes the force of attraction between the particle. What do you mean by this? Already I have told. The intermolecular space will start increasing. That is, the force of attraction between the particles will decrease, right? Force of attraction, how much force of attraction was there? That will decrease once you are supplying the heat.
Excuse
So
me,
what,
ma'am.
so what do they do now? The particles are not having any attraction between them now. What happens to the particles now? They leave their position and they will start moving. They start to move. Ivan nim friends madhyane jadla agbittide, en martira? Will you again stay with them? No. You'll go find out some other space. At least for 1 or 2 days, you'll go far from them. You'll sit alone, right? Similarly, what do? The particles will move freely from their position, okay, and they will find out some other place which is far from their friends. Similarly, what these particles will do? Leave their position.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, some of our friends are waiting. They are saying that link is not opening.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
I have allowed everyone. Everyone are there. I have allowed everyone.
Ma'am, in WhatsApp they are they are
No,
giving message.
I have enabled everyone to join on their own.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
But they are
Okay.
messaging.
So, okay, leave them. So what will happen at that time? The particles will leave their position and they start to move freely. At certain stage, what will happen? Once they start to move freely, at one stage, what will happen? The solid will be converted into liquid. Okay. Again, if you are heating that liquid, what happens?
It
What
will become
happen?
gas.
It will be converted into gas. At
Gas.
certain temperature, a point is reached when the particles have enough energy to break free from the force of attraction of each other. The particles will be having force of attraction. At one stage, what will happen? The force of attraction will be broken down and they start to move freely everywhere. That stage is nothing but gaseous stage. At this temperature, the liquid starts to convert into gas. Clear? Similarly, upon decrease in the temperature, what will happen from the gas? Upon decrease in the temperature, it will be converted into liquid. Again, it will be converted into solid.
Solid.
Yeah. So when you are writing about effect of temperature, what all you have to mention? Kinetic energy you have to mention, first point. Kinetic energy will increase in the temperature. Next, what you have to tell? Intermolecular space will increase. Intermolecular or interparticle space will increase. Force of attraction will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Force of attraction will decrease. Enaಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೊತೆ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ it will start to separate out. All friends will start to separate out. So force of that attraction, the bonding will decrease.
Decrease.
Okay. All these 3 points should be written properly. Clear? Shall we move further? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Now let us know effect of change of pressure. This thing also I have explained you before only. Okay, see now. You can see the picture over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Cylinder is there. In that, gaseous molecules are there. You can see they are very far from each other. Everyone can see, I hope. There are gaseous molecules which are very far from each other. In the second picture, you can see the particles are little near. In the third picture, you can see they are very close to each other. Okay. What do you mean by a piston? Piston is something which is used to put a pressure, put a force on the molecule now. Understanding? To put a force on a gas. You can see that part piston is there, cylinder is there. In cylinder, it is being filled with the gas. Okay, that day only had given you an example of LPG. What is LPG?
Liquid
Liquid
petroleum gas.
petroleum.
Liquid petroleum gas.
It is liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, so
Gas.
what happens when high pressure is being applied? First picture you see now. Carefully you see. High pressure is being applied by the piston on the particles, on the gaseous particles. What is happening to the gaseous particle? It is getting compressed. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It is coming together. It is getting compressed. Okay, the gaseous particles are getting compressed and it is converted into what? Liquid.
Solid.
It is converted
Liquid.
into liquid. Gaseous particles are converted into liquid. Why it is
Liquid
getting
form.
converted? What is increased?
Pressure.
When pressure
Pressure
is
is increased.
increased, what happens? The force of attraction increases or decreases?
Increases.
Force of attraction
Increases.
will increase between the particle, so it is converted into liquid
Liquid.
form. Now again some more force is being applied. Some more force is being applied, that is pressure is being applied upon the particles in the second cylinder. What is happening in the third cylinder? Particles are
It is
coming
becoming
close or
solid.
going
Fully
far?
compressed.
It is fully compressed. So what is happening
It's
to the particle?
close.
Particles
It is
are,
attracting.
it is force of attraction will increase by converting itself into a solid. Similarly, vice versa we will see. Ulta we will see now, vice versa. I will release that piston when it is in solid, no? I will release the piston. I will take that up, which was compressed. I am taking it up. I am releasing it. What it will be converted into?
Liquid.
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 Again, I will release some more pressure. What it will be converted into?
Gas.
Very good. It is gaseous state. The prominent example to explain this is LPG. That they only have told you compressed. It is liquefied petroleum gas. So gas is being compressed at high pressure. So when you shake the cylinder, you will feel something liquid is there inside the cylinder. But when you release the pressure, when you switch on the stove, when you switch on the stove, the pressure is being released inside the
Yes, ma'am.
cylinder. High pressure was there. When you switch on the stove, what will happen at that time? It will release,
The
the
high
pressure
pressure
is being
is
released, the pressure decreases, it is being released, and it appears to be as a gas. You cannot see the liquid coming out from the stove. Can you see the liquid
Yes,
coming
ma'am.
out from the stove? No. You will
No.
see the gas
No.
molecules that is coming out from the stove. You can sense the smell of that gas molecules. Right? So that is a prominent example. So it is known to be as a liquefied petroleum gas.
Miss, it shows that the matters are moving continuously.
It shows that matters are moving continuously dependent upon the pressure also. So how is interconversion of matter related with pressure now? How it is dependent upon pressure? Directly or indirectly?
Directly.
Directly. With the increase of the pressure, interconversion will also increase. With the decrease in the pressure, it will decrease. So interconversion are dependent upon both temperature and pressure. So in both the case, you have to remember 3 points. Kinetic energy you have to mention. What happens to kinetic energy? What happens to force of attraction? What happens to intermolecular space? Clear? With example, you have to explain. It is being asked. There is one more example I have mentioned here is, did you hear the word any day carbon dioxide to be solid?
Yes, ma'am.
Carbon
Dry ice.
dioxide. Yeah, very good. What is carbon dioxide? It is usually in the gaseous form. It is usually in the
It is
gaseous form.
converted as a solid
It is
form when it
converted as
mixes
a
with water.
solid. It is converted as a solid. How it is being converted as a solid? Gaseous form it is. How, who is that? Sublimation.
Jawad.
How it is being converted? Okay, sublimation may also occur. Okay, fine. How it is being converted from
By
gaseous
using pressure.
by when we apply
Using
high pressure, what happens to the carbon dioxide? It gets compressed.
Gaseous form. Gaseous come turn to solid form.
Gaseous carbon dioxide is converted into solid carbon
Solid
dioxide
carbon
when pressure
dioxide.
is applied and it is
And
compressed. Okay, so that carbon dioxide is known to be as a solid carbon dioxide, which has the very prominent name that is known to be as dry ice.
Dry
Also
ice.
known to be as a dry ice. Now, I have one question. I want to convert this dry ice into the normal gaseous carbon dioxide. How can I
we
convert?
have to mix it with water.
We have to mix it with water. Okay.
It
How you
turns to
can
gaseous
convert?
form.
Only by mixing with water you can convert solid carbon dioxide into gaseous. It won't be converted into water. Liquid, it won't be converted. Solid carbon dioxide will be directly converted into gaseous form. Sublimation, you can take an example. This for sublimation also. How can you convert solid ice, solid carbon dioxide into gaseous carbon dioxide? How?
By keeping out
by
in
eating
the
it.
air.
By heating it. What we are studying? Pressure. What happens when we release the pressure from that picture, from the last third picture?
It releases freely.
It releases freely. So say apply the same thing here. So
We
solid
have to
carbon
let it
dioxide
out
will be
freely.
stored in high pressure. It will be compressed and it will be stored in high pressure. When you release the pressure, what will happen? When you decrease the pressure,
It
what will
turns
happen?
to gaseous form.
It turns into
Gaseous
the
form.
gaseous state.
Gaseous
Along with
form.
that, you have to decrease the temperature also. You have to decrease the temperature also. Fine. So that is only here I have written. An increase in pressure brings the particle closer and increase the force of attraction between them. That brings about the change. Example, when high pressure is applied to gas and its temperature is reduced, it gets converted into liquid. That is, the gas is liquefied. LPG is an example. Solid carbon dioxide, it is stored at high pressure. By reducing the pressure and temperature, it is directly converted into gaseous state. It is also known to be as a dry ice. Clear with this point?
Yes, miss.
You can see the
ma'am.
picture of dry ice here. Dry ice, you can see there, solid is there, it is directly converted into a gaseous form. You can take this as an example for sublimation also. It is not getting converted into liquid. It is directly getting converted into gaseous form. Write one question there. Write one question there. List out any 3 uses of, list out any 3 uses of dry ice. Tomorrow I need this answer. List out any 3 uses of dry ice, where dry ice is being used. You'll be telling me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Clear with all the concept related to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I need to explain one more thing now. Based on this knowledge, you have to keep this knowledge in your mind now. Yesterday class and today's class, I will be telling you 2 definitions now. Okay, see, Yesterday, I had taken an example of ice, which has the temperature of, listen carefully, ice I had taken an example which had a temperature of -5 degrees Celsius. -5 degrees Celsius was its temperature, ice, temperature of a solid ice. Okay, I will measure it by using a thermometer. We can measure it by using a thermometer, and it showed -5 degrees Celsius. Once it started to melt, as soon as it started to melt, it showed the temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Yesterday I had told you it showed the temperature of what? 0 degrees Celsius. What is that 0 degree now?
Melting point.
It is
Very
an
good. It is
heating
the
point.
heating point. Yeah.
Melting
point.
point. Melting point.
It is the melting point of ice. Okay, we got to know that it is the melting point of ice. When you keep the thermometer there itself, you can observe that the solid is completely converted into liquid. Ice is completely converted into water, but the temperature is shown to be as 0 degree itself. Getting it? At melting point,
Yes,
it was
miss.
0 degrees Celsius. At melting point, it was 0 degrees Celsius. You are keeping the thermometer and it is still showing 0 degree until the complete ice is melted. Understanding? For some duration, it is showing only 0 degrees Celsius. But it is getting melted. Temperature is remaining same. It is getting completely melted. What may be the reason behind that?
Because of high cold.
Because of what?
High cold. Cold.
Atmospheric
High cold or
pressure.
what? See,
High cold.
temperature is remaining 0 degree only, but the ice is getting melted completely. Melt ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ start ಆಯ್ತು. It started to melt and it melted. Already it melted completely. The temperature between those two remains 0 degree only. Without change in the temperature, it is getting melted. So what may be happening there?
Because the melting point of ice is 0 degree.
Okay, very good. So the melting point of ice is 0 degree. That is the reason. Okay, fine. So there will be a heat that will be hidden. There will be a hidden heat that will melt the ice completely. Understanding? Hidden heat will be there which melts the ice completely. That heat is nothing but latent heat. What do you mean by latent heat? Latent refers to hidden
It
heat.
is an hidden heat.
Hidden heat. Only 0 degrees Celsius is enough to melt the complete ice because that is the melting point of ice. Okay, with that hidden heat itself, the ice is completely converted into a liquid. Okay, so that hidden heat is nothing but the latent heat of fusion. What it is known to be as latent heat of fusion. So what do you mean by latent heat of fusion now? Who can define? So what you are converting into what? What has been converted into what?
Liquid into
Ice is converted into
solid
liquid.
Ice is converted into liquid. So that is
Liq-
solid is converted into liquid.
liquid.
We will take 1 kg of ice. We will think that as 1 kg of ice is there. What is required to convert ice into liquid?
High temperature.
Heat is required.
Heat.
Temperature is required. So who can define latent heat of steam now? What is converted into what? What is required to convert that? If you frame these two, you'll get to know the answer. What is required?
Heat.
Heat is required. how much amount of heat, the amount of heat required to convert 1 kg of solid, understanding 1 kg of solid, we are taking the quantity here, unit quantity, 1 kg of solid into a 1 kg of liquid. Okay, without the change of temperature. Are you changing the temperature there? Hidden heat is there.
Yes, miss.
Hidden heat,
Yes,
it is
miss.
0 degrees Celsius only. So that is the hidden heat, that is latent heat. Without change in the temperature is known to be as latent heat of fusion. You can see here definition, second definition I have written here. Latent heat of fusion, the amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure, that means the normal pressure, at atmospheric pressure, when at its melting point of ice is what? 0 degree. At its melting point without change in the temperature is known as latent heat of fusion. For how many of you it is clear? Thumbs up. Most of you are not visible. Why is that? Sleeping. Switching on and sleeping there. Oh, Deepak, you are there.
Yes, ma'am.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳೋರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಯ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ?
Miss ಇದ್ದೆ ಮಿಸ್.
ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಮಿಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
Miss open area.
Clear with the latent heat of fusion?
Miss open area.
Sure. Sure. How many of you have not got it? Okay. Ananya KM? Ananya KM, can you define? Can you define what is latent heat of fusion? Be fast, it's already time.
The heat which is hidden.
The heat which is hidden is known to be as a latent heat. Okay, how can you define that? What is converted to what? Ashish will tell. Tell Ashish.
Ice is converted into
Who can define? Raise your hands fast. Raise your hands fast. Only Shreya. Who can define? Ashwin, can you? Okay, Deepak is ready. So Deepak is listening. Wait. Let me ask him. He is listening to the class.
The hidden heat which is present in the atmosphere.
How can you define latent heat of fusion?
When the ice is melting while seeing in the temperature at thermometer, and after melting in the liquid form, it at a same 0 degree temperature, we can
At the
know
melting point itself, it is been converted. So that is nothing but the latent heat
that
of steam of fusion. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. Similarly, what do you mean by latent heat of vaporization now? You have to explain. I have explained latent
100
heat of
degree.
fusion. Okay. When vaporization will take place? When
When the
vaporization?
temperature is
From which
when the
state to which
temperature
state?
is
From which
liquid
state?
to
Liquid to gas.
Liquid
Gas.
to gas. What
gas.
happens? At what
When the
point it will
temperature
remain
increase-
stable? When the temperature is increased, what will happen?
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. Very good. What will happen at that time? What is that 100
The
degrees
water
Celsius known
molecules
as?
melting point of liquid.
Melting point. What is that 100 degrees Celsius? Melting point or boiling point? Boiling point. At that temperature, what will happen? Everything will be changed into gas.
Gaseous form.
So that hidden heat is there. That is converting